मैं प्रेमचंद सर। आज हम आप सबको महाराष्ट्र बोर्ड 12th स्टैंडर्ड चैप्टर डेरिवेटिव सिखाने वाला हूँ। इनमें जो पॉइंट हम बताएंगे, सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन बताएंगे। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स बताएंगे। फिर जो है जितने भी फॉर्मूलाज है वो सब बताएंगे। फिर एक्सरसाइज 1.1 का पूरा सॉल्यूशन बताएंगे। तो आप सब ये सब चीज जानने के लिए वीडियो को एंड तक देखते हैं। सबसे पहले मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ, मैं प्रेमचंद सर S.R.P इंस्टीट्यूट यूट्यूब चैनल में आप सबका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। अगर आप सब मेरा इंटीग्रेशन का वीडियो नहीं देखते हैं तो प्लीज मैं उसे डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे देता हूँ, आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। और अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो कृपया इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाएं और सेलेक्ट करें ऑल। और हो सके तो अपने फ्रेंड से ये वीडियो शेयर करें ताकि उसे भी कुछ बेनिफिट मिल सके, क्योंकि आपका हेल्प उसका भी नसीब बदल सकता है। थैंक्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। Derivative invention and developed by Sir Isaac Newton and Gottfried लेबनीज। डेरिवेटिव जो है इसे सर आइजैक न्यूटन और गॉटफ्रेड लेबनीज ने किया था। सर आइजैक एक फिजिशियन है एंड गॉटफ्रेड लेबनीज एक मैथमेटिशियन है। The study of all about changes or increment in a function means हम लोग जो पढ़ते हैं वो डेरिवेटिव में जितने भी चीज होते हैं, रेट ऑफ चेंज और इंक्रीमेंट इन अ फंक्शन, ये सब जो है हम बेसिकली डेरिवेटिव में सीखते हैं कि कैसे चेंज होता है, किस तरह से फंक्शन में परिवर्तन होता है। नो डेल्टा represent the changes or increment यहाँ पे डेल्टा जो है ये हमारा रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं चेंजेस और इंक्रीमेंट इन अ फंक्शन। नो डेल्टा एक्स जो है रिप्रेजेंट द चेंजेस और इंक्रीमेंट इन एक्स फंक्शन, और डेल्टा वाई रिप्रेजेंट द चेंजेस और इंक्रीमेंट इन वाई फंक्शन, इन वाई फंक्शन। Now important points. First one, the derivative of f of x with respect to x at x equal to a is given by f of a equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x upon h. If the function is given as, if the function is given as y equal to f of x, f of x, sorry, the derivative of f of x with respect to x at x equal to a is given by f dash a equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. Second, say the derivative of f of x with respect to x at x equal to 0. put here h equal to a is given by f of a or f dash a equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a upon h मीन्स इस तरह से f dash a फाइंड आउट होता है. सेकंड पॉइंट, द डेरिवेटिव कैन आल्सो be defined for f of x at any point h on the open interval at f dash h equal to limit of h tends to 0 f of h plus h minus f of h upon h. See here h equal to a, then f dash a equal to limit of h tends to 0 f of a plus h, this is your h, not a b, minus f of a upon h. And if the derivative can also be defined for f of h, suppose if we find f of h, then f dash h equal to limit h tends to 0 f of h plus h minus f of h upon h. Function is given as y equal to f of h, then its derivative is written as dy upon dx equal to f dash h. Third point, 4 are differentiable function y equal to f of x if delta x is a small increment in x and delta y is a small increment in y is delta y. Sorry, right. y, then limit delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x equal to d of y upon d of x. Formulas. First one, derivative of constant equal to 0. Second, d upon dx of x equal to 3. Third one, 3 is your constant. Third one, d upon dx derivative of x raised to n equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. Fourth one, d upon dx of 1 upon x equal to minus 1 upon x square. Fifth one, d upon dx of 1 upon x raised to n equal to minus n upon x raised to n plus 1 plus 1. Next, six, derivative of root x equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Seventh, derivative of sin x equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. Derivative of tan x equal to sec square x. Derivative of sec x equal to sec x into tan x. Eleventh, derivative of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. 12. Derivative of cot x equal to minus cosec square x. derivative of e raised to h equal to a raised to h. Derivative of a raised to h equal to a raised to h log a. Derivative of log h equal to 1 upon h. Sixteen. D upon dx of log AX equal to 1 upon X log A. Now, derivative base. Take base and constant. D upon dx of x, y, z, 1, 2, 3. So, x is your variable. This is your constant. Other than base of derivative. So this is your base of derivative. Next, rules for derivative. First one, if u and v are differentiable function of x. First one, y equal to u plus minus v. Then dy upon dx equal to du upon dx plus minus dv upon dx. Second one, if y equal to uv, then dy upon dx equal to u dv upon dx plus v du upon dx. Third one, y equal to u upon v, then dy upon dx equal to v du upon dx minus u dv upon dx upon v square. Now, exercise 1.1. First one, x square minus 2x minus 1 raised to 5. Let d upon dh of h square minus 2h minus 1 raised to 5. Here d upon dh of h raised to n equal to n into h raised to n minus 1 फॉर्मूला कंसीडर करेंगे. सो 5 into h square minus 2h minus 1 raised to 5 minus 1 d upon dh of remaining parts, that is h square minus 2h plus minus 1. Therefore 5h square minus 2h minus 1 raised to 4. Now d upon dh of h square minus d upon dh of 2h, because 1 is your constant and derivative of 1 is 0. Therefore we ignore 1. Now 5 of h square minus 2h minus 1 raised to 4. Derivative of h square is your 2h minus derivative of 2h is your 2. Therefore 5 into 2h minus 2 into h square minus 2h minus 1 raised to 4. This is your final answer. Next, question number 2. 2h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3h raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2. Let d upon dh of 2h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3h raised to 4 upon 3 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2. First, same formula, n minus 1. So 5 upon 2 into 2 h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3 h raised to 4 upon 5 minus 5 raised to 5 upon 2. d upon dh of 2 h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3 h raised to 4 upon 3. Therefore 5 upon 2 2h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3h raised to 4 upon 5 minus 5. 5 upon 2 minus 1 is your 3 upon 2. See, 1 2 का एलसीएम 2 हो जाएंगे. 1 5 जा 5 minus 1 2 जा 2. 5 minus 2 is your 3. Similarly, d upon dh of 2h raised to 3 upon 2 minus d upon dh of 3 h raised to 4 upon 3. Therefore 5 upon 2 into 2h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3h raised to 4 upon 5 minus 5 3 upon 2. And derivative of 2h raised to 3 upon 2. Use this formula. So 2 into 3 upon 2 into h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 1 minus 3 into 4 upon 3 into h raised to 4 upon 3 minus 1. Therefore 5 upon 2 into 2h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3h raised to 4 upon 5 minus 5 raised to 3 upon 2. Now 2 that cancel 3 h 3 minus 2. See, 1 2 LCM of 1 or 2 is 2 और 1 3 जा 3 minus 2 1 जा 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 2 minus 3 that cancel 4 h raised to 1 upon 3. Therefore 5 upon 2 of 2h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3h raised to 4 upon 5 minus 5 raised to 3 upon 2 into 3 root h minus 4h raised to 1 upon 3. This is your final answer. And also you can write here 5 upon 2 of 3 root h minus 4h raised to 1 upon 3, 2h raised to 3 upon 2 minus 3h raised to 4 upon 5 minus 5 raised to 3 upon 2. Next, question number 3. That is root under h square plus 4h minus 7. Let d upon dx of root h square plus 4h minus 7. Formula will be 1 d upon dx of root h equal to 1 upon 2 root h. Therefore 1 upon 2 root h square plus 4h minus 7 and derivative of h square plus 4h minus 7. Therefore 1 upon 2 root h square plus 4h minus 7 and derivative of h square is 2h plus derivative of 4h is 4. Therefore 2h plus 4 upon 2 root of h square plus 4h minus 7. Take 2 common, h plus 2 upon 2 root h square plus 4h minus 7. So 2 get cancelled. Final answer is h plus 2 upon root h square plus 4h minus 7 is your final answer. Thanks for watching this video.